In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report to Excel in Salesforce, made easy in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to get your Salesforce data into a format that's easily manipulated in Excel, you're in the right place. Let's dive in, starting with the basics, logging into Salesforce. First, you'll want to head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your username and password and click Login. Okay, now that you're logged in and ready to explore, we'll move on to accessing your reports. You'll find the Reports tab typically located at the top of your Salesforce interface. Give that a click, and you'll see a list of all the reports available. Browse through this list and find the specific report you need to export. Once you've found it, go ahead and open it by clicking on the report's name. Do ensure that this is the exact report you want, because this is the step where you set the direction for what you're exporting. Next, look for the drop-down arrow located next to the Edit button on the top right of your report screen. You'll want to click this drop-down arrow. It will reveal more options for what you can do with your report. Here's where the real magic happens. You're going to select the export option from this drop-down menu. This action will open up a new dialog box that allows you to choose how you'd like to export your data. This is a crucial step as it sets the format of your exported data. So listen closely. You'll see two options: Formatted Report or Details Only. Choosing Formatted Report will give your export a polished Excel-style layout, which is perfect if you need the report to be presentation ready. On the other hand, Details Only provides raw data suitable if you need all the nitty-gritty details for analysis. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Now, after you've chosen the format you need, you'll be asked to select your file format. You have two choices here: .xlsx or .csv. The .xlsx format is excellent for maintaining the formatting and usability of an Excel spreadsheet, while .csv is a straightforward choice for handling raw data and importing into other applications. Once you've made your selection, simply click the Export button. Salesforce will then process your request and download the file directly to your computer. You might find it in your designated Downloads folder, but be sure to check your browser settings if you're having trouble locating it. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Salesforce report into an Excel-friendly format. Now you can manipulate, analyze, or present your data however you see fit. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reporting.